everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, I'm so glad you came back. Thank you for subscribing and for showing me so much love. I can't believe how much my channel is growing. You already know why we're here, so let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of how my room used to look. So just so y'all know, this is a complete 180. Let's get straight into the tour. Okay, so when you walk into my room, this is the door. So you'll immediately come to my cart first. And this cart is just filled with everything I need on a day-to-day basis. This cart was from Michael's and it rolled. I've seen a bunch like it at many other places, so feel free to get it wherever. At the top I have my makeup and some other items I need on the day-to-day, like hand sanitizer, my keys, and lip gloss. And then down here I have like toiletries, so stuff for the bathroom and things for my hair, my contacts, stuff like that. At the bottom, we don't have to talk about that, but that's my NutriBullet. I have some herbs in the back for my tea, and yeah, other than that, it's kind of crazy. And then I have my shout because y'all, I keep staining my carpet that I just bought like 2 weeks ago. Moving on to my bed area, right here I have a blanket that I just draped over. I use this if I'm in bed. Then I have another blanket. This one is from IKEA. I have another blanket for when I am in my seating area or on the floor just chilling. And that one is from Pink. I've had it for a while now. And we're moving on to my bed. Here it is. I downsized to a twin size bed because I really wanted to open the space up and make my room feel more spacious. So that's why I have a smaller bed now. And I'm sure y'all seen this bed before. It's from IKEA. It's incredibly hard to put together. So if you get this bed, just have somebody to help you, because this took me a full day to put together. Like, it was terrible. I got this bed because of the dressers on the bottom, and it helps me because I don't have to buy a physical dresser that's going to take up more space in my room. And I'll show you guys, it's super spacious. Like, here is a bunch, and it goes way deeper. Like, let me show y'all. Like, this is all the way to the back, and I just have a bunch of things in here. All my clothes, well, mostly all my clothes, everything else is in my closet. But in this particular dresser, we have workout clothes and then t-shirts. But yeah, that's my favorite part of this bed, and that's the reason I bought it. This comforter is from Target. This pillow is from IKEA. This pillow is from IKEA as well. That one is from Target, and this one came from my bed sheets, which are white and are also from Target. Moving on to the full view of this wall. You have a bunch of artwork that I call my gallery wall, and all of these pieces were hunted down from Ross, TJ Maxx, Michael's. I know I'm missing one, but here is a good look at them. This is one I printed out on my own because I just really wanted a female's body up there because women are beautiful. And here are all of those that I love so much, very proud of. You have a clock that don't tick, but it's for the look. So this clock is from IKEA, and it's gold. It has gold trim on it, and that's the reason I bought it, because I wanted this wall to be gold and kind of minimalistic. And then I have these two smaller mirrors, which are also from IKEA. There's the other one. I have this shelf that is from IKEA as well, and then I just hung my hat off of it. I have a chain hanging off of it right now. It's a good shelf to have to like keep stuff on. It's really sturdy, and it's nice because you can definitely loop stuff on here. And then at the top I have candles. I love this one because it has my name on it. Here are some scrunchies of mine, and here is a candle from Skin Glory Organics that I absolutely love. I love this company. If you're into candles, make sure you check them out. They're amazing. And then in the back over here I have a old root beer bottle that I painted to be the same color as my wall, because me and my sister painted my room. So I painted that, and I just put in some fake roses from IKEA. So there's that. And then in the back, this is embroidered. I made it when I was in high school and she fit the vibe, so she made it to the shelf. We have this cute lion, and then I have some bracelets up there, and I have a couple of books. Here is my coat. It's just there because it's there. And then I have a Fabletics bag for if I need to put some stuff in it when I'm working out. Moving on to this corner, we have super duper long curtains that I didn't expect to be this long, but once I put them in here, I felt like it really opened up the space. It makes it feel a lot taller and more spacious because as you can see, my windows are nowhere near, they're nowhere near that height, but I feel like this just makes the room feel taller and more spacious. So I really like those. Those are from IKEA. And then right here we have a basket. I believe I got this basket for like $15 at Ross. And I really like it. It's pretty spacious. Inside of it, I have some workout equipment, a journal, my tripod, one of them, a little thing for my camera so I can clean it. And then that's just a random shoebox that I have right there. And then moving on to my mirror. Okay. This mirror was a gift for Christmas, so I can ask my mom where I got it from. Let me know in the comments below if y'all are interested in where I got this mirror. It's pretty big. The curtains makes it look smaller because the curtains literally go up to my ceiling. But it's a pretty big mirror and I really like it. And then I have lights draping it. Okay, and down here we have a couple of items. So we have a candle holder from IKEA. This candle is almost dead, but I refuse to let go of it yet. So there's that. I have another candle from Skin Glory Organics, which is absolutely amazing. Y'all need to check them out like now. And I have another candle which smells so freaking good. I need to find the name of the company because I got this from Ross, which y'all know it's just random, so I don't really know exactly where it came from, but I have to because it smells so good and it makes me so productive. I love it. And then this frame came from IKEA, and it just has a flower in it. And this is my friend's clothing line, which is absolutely amazing. Y'all need to check him out. He has a lot of cool pieces. Here is my plant that also came from IKEA. The vase is separate. I mean, the pot is separate, but I also got that from IKEA. Like, really, IKEA got all my money. There's my plant. She cute. I wish it was a money tree. That's what we're gonna call it. It's a money tree. In the back, I am hiding my speaker, and I have this, which you can use to connect different USBs into. I have a extension cord over here. Here's the other curtain, so y'all can see them here, so y'all can see them together. Like I said, I really think it opens up the room, makes it feel a lot more spacious than it is. My carpet, guess where it's from? Guess where it's from? Guess where it's from? It's from IKEA. I think I paid $40 for this carpet, and I had a different one at first from a different store, but once I brought it into my room, I just didn't like it anymore, so I returned that one and I got this one, and now I love it. So yeah, if something don't work, don't be afraid to take it back and redo. I love this corner because this is where I do all my work. Here is this rug is from TJ Maxx, I believe. Oh no, y'all, I got pistachio shells. Don't pay attention to me. They blend in sometimes. Okay. This rug is from TJ Maxx, and I was lucky enough to find this stool that's also from TJ Maxx, which was the last one there. I absolutely love it. And I found this table, and it's adjustable, so sometimes I put it up to my bed and I can use it to watch TV or eat something if I'm snacking in my bed. So it's perfect. And then I've come to my favorite part of my room, which is my record wall. I guess not record wall, this is my album wall. All of these albums mean something to me. I either love them to pieces or it represents a time or space that was in my life. So they all remind me of different things and I just love them. At the top here, I know it looks empty, but I'm planning on putting a mirror right there. I just thought that was cute. I don't know, maybe it's goofy because that's not a bathroom, that's a closet, but I just love it. Here we have a little bed for my dog for him to chill when he's in here. Here are some shoes of mine. I also got this lamp from IKEA and I love it because it can either, you know, it goes anywhere, so it's kind of perfect. That is my complete room tour.